You know, the global recycling industry is hitting what you could call a golden age. And for businesses in Malaysia, the front door to this massive opportunity, it's in Shanghai. So let's break down exactly how this partnership between the MRA and RX China can put your company right at the center of this huge shift.
Okay, so how do you actually capitalize on all this? Well, we've got a 6-point roadmap for you. We'll kick things off with the official invite, then dive into the massive global opportunities, check out the game-changing tech, and then we get to the really good stuff, the exclusive benefits for MRA members, a super powerful matchmaking service, and even how you can get funding to make it all happen.
So, first things first, this isn't just some general announcement you see online. This is a direct, formal invitation for you, whether you're an MRA member, an industry owner, or an investor, to be part of the official Malaysian delegation. And that comes with some serious exclusive access.
All right, get your calendars out and lock in these dates, July 8th to the 10th, 2026. And look, this is way more than just another trade show. It's strategically set up to help you plug right into the global double carbon initiative. Now, what does that mean? It's the worldwide push for carbon neutrality, which for Malaysian recyclers translates into a huge demand for the high-quality, low-carbon materials you can supply.
Now let's zoom out and talk about the bigger picture here. This Expo is your ticket into a global market that is, to put it mildly, absolutely exploding. We are really talking about a pivotal moment for the entire industry.
I really love this phrase, a golden age. And I know that can sound like a bit of marketing fluff, right? But it's not. We are genuinely seeing a massive industry-wide surge in demand that's creating opportunities that frankly just didn't exist a few years back.
So what's actually fueling this fire? Well, it's the green revolution. I mean, just think about it for a second. Every single EV, every solar panel, every new battery storage system, they all need massive amounts of recycled materials like aluminum, magnesium, and copper. This isn't some trend that's coming. It is happening right now, and this is exactly where your business can really take off.
The sheer scale of this is, well, it's staggering. Just try to picture it. Having direct access to over 35,000 potential partners, clients, and suppliers. That is the entire industry ecosystem, all in one place, all at one time.
And within that massive crowd, you'll find 650 exhibitors. What that means is, no matter what you're looking for, whether it's raw material suppliers or the companies that are going to use your finished product, they are going to be there.
And here's a crucial number, especially if you're looking to expand outside of Malaysia. You're going to have direct access to over 4,000 international buyers and partners from key growth markets. We're talking the Middle East, Europe, and of course, our own neighbors right here in Southeast Asia.
So you've got this incredible opportunity right in front of you. But the question is, how do you actually grab it? Well, the answer really comes down to technology. And this expo is pretty much a giant showroom for the tools that are going to define the future of recycling.
This is your chance to see it, touch it, and really understand the absolute latest in equipment. And we're not just talking about small, incremental upgrades here. These are integrated, intelligent, and eco-friendly systems, all designed to make your operations way more efficient and, of course, more profitable.
Just think about your biggest operational headaches right now. This is where you go to find the solutions. Imagine AI-driven sorting systems that boost your purity levels, or energy-efficient machinery that just slashes your utility bills. Or how about advanced treatment processes that let you create higher-value products? That's what's on display.
Okay, so the opportunity is huge. The tech is incredible. But this is where it gets really, really interesting for you. By joining the official MRA delegation, you get a whole set of exclusive benefits that you just can't get if you go on your own.
This whole thing is designed to turn your trip into a high-return strategic mission. We're talking about maximizing every single moment you're on the ground with access and networking opportunities that are reserved only for the MRA delegation.
And honestly, these perks are a huge deal. Of course, you get the free passes and priority entry, so you can skip the lines, but you also get a chance to be part of a co-sharing MRA booth, which could even be co-branded with Matrade, giving you incredible visibility. On top of that, you get a seat at the table and high-level dialogues with global industry leaders. This is real VIP access, plain and simple.
All right, let's talk about getting the best possible return on your investment. This event is not about just wandering the floor and hoping you have a lucky encounter. No, this is all about precision-targeted business matchmaking.
So this isn't about hoping to bump into the right person. It's a really simple but incredibly powerful three-step process. You submit what you're looking to buy, the organizers pre-select the best fit suppliers for you, and you show up with a schedule of high-potential meetings already booked. It's basically networking on steroids.
And the networking doesn't even stop at the Expo Hall. You'll also have the chance to join exclusive factory tours. I mean, what an incredible opportunity to go behind the scenes at some of China's top facilities, see their technology working in real time, and build direct relationships with potential partners on their home turf.
And finally, this might just be the most important part of all. How do you actually pay for all this incredible new tech? Well, MRA isn't just sending you to the Expo. We're also committed to helping you bring that innovation back to Malaysia and upgrade your operations.
Our funding advisory service is designed specifically for this purpose. We will personally guide you through the available technology grants and help you with all the paperwork and the application process. Our goal here is simple: to maximize your chances of securing the funding you need to grow your business.
So, are you ready to join? Spots on the official delegation are, of course, limited. So to lock in all of these exclusive benefits, you really need to act fast. Get in touch with the MRA team with the details you see on the screen and secure your place.
So I guess the only question left to ask is your business ready to step into this golden age? The Shanghai Expo is so much more than an event. It's your launch pad into the future of a booming global industry. Don't miss your chance to be part of it.